So I forgot that Game Maker has the weird views thing, and I did not realize when I told you to put your lives in your room at 10 and 10, I forgot that once you move too far to the right, it's going to vanish from your view. For example, I've got my lives set up. I've told it to draw my lives at x equals 10 and y equals 10, which is where they are. But now that I've added some more to my room, and I've added all this so that my room will actually scroll now, if I go too far to the right, watch my lives as I move to the right. My stuff scrolls, but my lives scroll with it. And so in order to see how many lives I have left, I would have to take my character and walk all the way back over here so I could see how many lives I have. Well, we're going to fix that. So what you need to do is we're going to, instead of telling it to draw our lives object at x equals 10, y equals 10, what we're going to do is we're going to tell it to draw our lives in relation to the view that is shown on the screen. Now, if you remember our view, let me go back out and go in our view of our room. Here's our room. We go to views. We're telling the computer to enable the use of views, and that they're going to work when the room starts, and we're going to follow the hero object. And this just indicates that when my hero gets within 200 pixels of the right edge of my screen, or the, well, for this game, it's only going to be the right edge of our screen, we're going to start scrolling. Now, I want to display my lives in relation to my views and not in relation to the actual room. The way we're going to do that is we're going to say when we draw the lives as the image, instead of having a value of x equals 10, instead we're going to have a value of x equals the view and the x-coordinate of that view plus 10 pixels. So that view underscore x view is the top left corner of the current view in the room. Well, let me rephrase that. That view underscore x view and view underscore y view are the top left corner of the current view. Because I want it 10 pixels in and 10 pixels down, I'm going to add 10 to both of those. I have not checked relative because I do want it relative to the current view on screen. So now, if I hit play on my game, when the game goes to draw my lives, instead of drawing my lives at the top left corner of the game room, it's going to draw my lives at the top left corner of the view that I'm currently looking at on my screen. Now you see everything scrolls and the lives stay where they are. So sorry about the mistake in the last video. I just forgot all about that. And when I die, I lose a life. So go ahead and get that in, and that will fix your live scrolling off the screen problem.